A hungry dog finds a piece of meat and proudly carries it home. But on his way, he sees another dog in the river, with a bigger piece. What he does next teaches him a painful lesson he'll never forget. Temptation grips the scruffy dog who can't help but fantasize about snatching the larger piece for itself. In a moment of greed, it drops its own meat and lunges toward the river. As the scruffy dog plunges into the water, the current sweeps away its original treasure, leaving it with nothing but disappointment. Realizing too late, it learns that sometimes greed leads to loss.